In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a web app with Lovable AI. By the end, you'll go from a blank screen to a working, editable web app without writing a line of code. After you log into Lovable AI, you'll land on the home screen. You'll notice a colorful gradient background, a friendly heading that asks what's on your mind, and a large prompt box right in the center. Seeing that layout confirms you're on the right page to begin. Focus on the main prompt box in the center. It usually hints with text like, "Ask Lovable to create a dashboard too." And that's your cue. This field is where you'll describe exactly what you want to build, in your own words. Click into the prompt box and type a clear, concise request. For example, you could write, "Create a simple task management web app with login, task list, and status tracking." You don't need to over-explain or provide technical details. Being specific but short is perfect. Lovable will handle the setup and technical scaffolding for you. And if you need the service, the link to the Lovable AI website is at the very top of the description, so you can jump in quickly. Below the prompt, you may see options to attach files or choose a theme. Attach is useful if you have references, mockups, or requirements documents. Theme lets you set the visual style up front. If you're aiming for speed, you can skip both and continue. You can always refine later. Now click the send arrow on the right side of the prompt box. Lovable AI will immediately begin generating your web app. Give it a moment and keep the tab open while it works. You'll see it plan the structure, generate pages and components, and set up the layout and logic. The best part is that no coding is required. Lovable is orchestrating the boilerplate and the UI elements so you can focus on the outcome instead of the implementation. When the build is complete, your project will appear under Recent or in All Projects on the left sidebar. Click the project name to open it, explore the files and pages, and start refining your app. From here, you can modify features, adjust the design, and add more functionality simply by prompting Lovable again. For example, you might say, "Add user authentication and a dashboard view." Iteration is the workflow. Describe what you want adjusted, run it, preview, and repeat until it feels right. And that's it. You've created a web app with Lovable AI, opened the project, and started improving it. All in a streamlined flow. If you found this helpful, check the link at the top of the description and enjoy building. Thanks for watching.